How to send cash on Cash App. In this video, I will show you how to send cash on Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app, just like you can see here. From there, you will see this page where you are supposed to first enter the payment amount you want to send to the person. After entering the amount, then tap on this option here named Pay. You will be then taken to this page where you have to enter some important details before you can send the money. The first field is to. This means you have to enter details if the person you are sending the money to. You can enter the name, dollar cash tag, phone, or email of the user you are sending the money to. After that, move to the next field. In this field, you have to enter or write a note that will tell the person what the payment is for. It is like a message. Finally, come to this section where there is a menu with several options that allow you to either send the money as cash, gift card, stock, and finally as Bitcoin. For our case, I will choose cash because that is what the tutorial is about. After making sure everything is ready and correct, proceed and tap here, Pay, and the payment will be sent to the person. It is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to send cash on Cash App.